After living in Florida, we've been living in Thailand for 2 years.
Thailand was very different and exotic. We loved it.
In Bangkok, I am a chemistry teacher at an international school.
I am a software engineer, and I can work from anywhere.
This is a nice playground.
Where are you gonna go first?
I want to go on the bridge.
We have 2 kids, Ash and Gemma. I was just offered this opportunity to come and teach in Berlin. When I ran it by Jeff, he was ecstatic, and the kids are very excited about this move because they think Europe and they hear snow, and they are excited to be somewhere where they can experience the snow and how Christmas is celebrated in Germany.
But they'll need to move quickly in Berlin's competitive market if they want to be settled in time for Santa's big day.
Berlin during the holiday season is very lovely and very romantic. You can find in every corner a stand where you can buy a real Christmas tree. That's also very nice. Berlin is a hot market, so there's a lot of demand, but there's very low supply. So you have to be very quick when you find something what suits to you. You have to catch it. What are you looking for in an apartment?
A 20-minute commute in a family-friendly area because of the kids.
Of course.
2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
Oh, nice.
We would like space for a sizable Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yes.
So that'll be open living area.
Yes.
Okay.
And for me, I really would like an outdoor space because I like to get some fresh air.
Like a balcony, terrace, or
Yes.
something?
And then for me, I like some sort of open office space.
Okay.
Be it one of the bedrooms or a nook somewhere.
Yeah. So it should be a mix of modern and old building?
I like more of the old
The
building.
old building, okay.
And I prefer the modern.
Modern, okay. What do you want to spend
$2,000 a month.
all in with everything?
Yes, everything.
So there are a lot of expats moving to Zehlendorf, the area where Darlene is teaching, and it's expensive. So we have to get the price a little bit more higher. I'm showing Darlene and Jeff a very nice apartment. It's close to Darlene's work. It's only 20 minutes commute. This is it. We have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's all furnished. Unfortunately, there's no outside space. The price is $2,200.
That's a little over our budget.
Yeah, but first, just check it out together.
Well, my number one thing is proximity to the school because I'm not sure how much time I'll be spending at work. So that's the most important thing to me.
Yeah, welcome to the house.
Okay, this is cozy.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. So it's kind of a historical house.
Okay.
You will see we have wooden floors.
Nice.
Jeff, for you, the high ceilings.
Yeah. This makes it feel much bigger too. I like it.
Jeff, for you, little space for your work. You can put up your desk.
Yeah, I could see that. That would be nice by the window.
So here's the living room.
Okay.
Cozy sofas.
This is really spacious. Beautiful window with lots of natural lights.
I have a little surprise for you. I didn't mention before. We have a chimney. Yeah, so you can put in some wood.
Oh, wow. This is, Jeff, I know you like this because you like old things.
Yeah, no, this is great. Yeah.
I think a tree will go nicely with this chimney. This is a really cool feature.
Okay, let's check out the first bedroom, the kids' room.
Okay.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh, wow, what?
This
Look at
bed.
what? But this is so small.
Yeah, it is really small. If it wasn't for this bunk bed, I don't know how they would fit.
The kids' room doesn't have enough space for them to do homework. There is a very small closet to store their things. I would like to see more space.
Are you curious about what is in this room? It's the second bedroom. So let's check it out.
Okay.
Okay,
There's no privacy,
no privacy.
just a
but
door.
Here's Ash and Gemma. Here's Mommy and Daddy. And for me, I'm with them all day already. This is just not okay with me.
We are now going to the bathroom.
Okay.
Check it out.
This is very narrow.
But it has a tub for Gemma.
Yeah, it does. And it's a nice tub, too. It works.
So here we have the kitchen.
This is bright. I like the light. It's very small and away from the rest of the living area.
Yeah. But, I mean, there's a big fridge. It's bigger than we had in Thailand. And all the appliances remind me of back home.
So we have seen now the whole apartment. What do you think about it?
Well, it's definitely historic, and having wanted to come back to Europe, this was exactly the style I was looking for. I also like that there's high ceilings, that there's an office area that I can use, and lots of good entertainment space.
I like that the house is within the radius that I want to stay for school, and it's also a very nice and quiet neighborhood, so that's important for the kids. However, the biggest con for me is not having an outdoor space. I was really looking forward to a balcony. And for me, the price, I really wanted to spend no more than $2,000. But this is already smaller with one less bathroom.
I see that being a problem.
So we are now in Charlottenburg. Charlottenburg is in the west part of Berlin. You're very close to the Kurfürstendamm, where you can find the Christmas market. Okay. So probably you have to check it out then.
How far is this from the school?
From the school, it's about 1 hour.
That's the problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, welcome. Here we are. So we have 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Everything is furnished, and for the total price of $2,000.
Wow. But I would have to commute almost an hour to get to work, and that is a big negative for me.
Oh, welcome.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
This place looks very modern. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I don't think our kitchen was even this big in Florida.
I mean, hello. We got an island. We got an island.
You have a wine fridge.
And a
Oh, yeah.
and a wine fridge.
Yeah.
I really like the flow of this space. The couch is a little small.
Mm-hmm.
I think if we push the couch down just a little bit, we can put a tree here.
Or we could push the couch into the corner and put the tree over here.
That would work too. I like how open everything is. It's a really, really nice flow. And this table is the right size for us.
One problem is that it's completely lacking a workspace. I don't know where I could set up a desk and work there. And it just feels too modern.
Oh, wow.
Welcome to your paradise.
This is massive. Oh my gosh, I can see myself being here. We can put some Christmas decorations out here like we did in Florida and in Thailand.
Yeah, it would be nice to be able to do that again.
This is a great outdoor space.
I am certain that she loves this place because it is boxy and white like me, and it's just got all the amenities she wants.
So the next room is your bedroom.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. This is a little tight.
Tight.
Yeah, a little. But it's really nice. I mean, I don't know, it feels tight. Maybe it's the bed. So where's the closet? Oh, wow. Okay. I like this closet.
Oh, and here's the bathroom.
This is a great bathroom.
Look
Wow.
at the size of this.
This is bigger than the bed.
I think we both can fit in here. I think Darlene and Gemma are really going to enjoy that tub. I can especially see you with wine and some candles, just relaxing in there.
It sounds like you like the house.
Now we take a look at the kids' bedroom.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is a very nice room, but it's not a kid's room.
Yeah, it feels like a doctor's waiting room. There's no bed here.
So maybe you just get 2 beds or 1 bunk bed for both of them.
I don't know how 2 beds will fit in here. We'll have to do a bunk.
I really like this apartment. It checks off so many of my must-haves, and that outdoor space with that view. The biggest issue here is this is just very far away from the school.
For me, it's too modern. Also, there's no workspace for me, so I don't know how that's going to go at all.
So we are now in Schmargendorf, located in the west of Berlin.
How far is this from the school?
It's about 35 minutes by public transport.
I like this area, but I don't know if the distance is going to be a problem for us.
I take them to the penthouse apartment because we have everything what Darlene wants. So we have a terrace. It's very modern, working space for Jeff. So here we are. This is the house.
Okay.
So we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You have a nice sunny terrace.
Okay.
And everything is furnished for $2,200.
You know, it looks a little new, but it has everything else that we're looking for.
Let's see if it's worth it.
Let's check it out together. So, here we are. Let's go to the living room
Okay.
and kitchen area.
Wow, this is a great space. It is nice for our family to get together. It's cozy.
The only thing I see is it's very plain. There's not much color at all.
Yeah. Where can we put a Christmas tree in here? You think this is gonna be a good spot for a Christmas tree?
I think that would be a good spot, or we could put it over by the terrace.
Okay.
There's no European character to it, and the main living space is pretty awkward. We'll really have to do something to figure out how that's gonna work.
Okay, let's see the terrace.
Wow, this is a really great space.
Yeah, a lot of space and more beautiful views.
Yeah,
You know, this would be a good space to have like a holiday party.
I can see a nice pine tree over here with some lights all around the periphery. I can see ourselves making the balcony really cozy around the holiday time and with lights and enjoying the space.
So, here's the first kids' room.
Okay.
Hey, wow, this would be a great space for Gemma
Yeah,
or Ash.
or both.
Yeah. Can we see the other room?
Of course, let's go. Here we are.
Wow, this is another great room. I see this room also has the storage space, a nice wardrobe, and I see this desk here. Maybe you can put the kids in there and you can work here.
This would work really well as an office for me.
Okay, you're now ready to see your room?
Sure.
You would love it.
Okay, this is a nice space. Oh wow, there's an office space for me here.
Wow, this is a great space.
This was enough space for the kids, but I don't know if that's gonna be enough space for you.
So maybe we can have another wardrobe here, which means cannot be used as a desk.
We'll have to see what happens.
Okay, let's go and look at the bathrooms.
Yep.
All right.
So this is a whole other room. So this has both a tub and a shower, and it's tall enough for you, Jeff.
Yes, I think that will work out perfect.
I can really work with this. This place checks off so many of the boxes. 3 bedrooms, very modern. The terrace is huge.
And there's gonna be office space for me.
It's a little more than what we want to spend.
For me, I feel like the place has no character. It's very sterile and doesn't have any of the European charm I wanted. The layout's very awkward, so it's gonna be a lot of work for us to figure this space out. What do you think of the bricky house?
It's old like you.
It's got a nice living area. I can definitely see a space where I could put my office.
And that space is very nice for us to gather and have Christmas dinner.
With the Christmas tree in the corner, it's the closest to the school.
But the door between the kids' room and our room, that space lacks privacy.
Well, how about the river house? That one seemed more up your alley.
I really like that the river house had a good layout for privacy, with an adult corner and a kid's corner. And the living space is right in between. I like how open everything is. It's a really, really nice flow. The commute is way out of the area. It's too far out.
What about the penthouse?
The penthouse had 3 bedrooms with a marvelous bathroom, and it was very spacious.
I mean, it has a lot of space. The 3 bedrooms are great, but it's still kind of far, and there's nothing to say that they're gonna have any friends living nearby. When you came to Europe, did you envision a 35, 40, 45-minute commute every day?
You got a point there. I think the bricky house is our house. Let the fun begin.
Our lives in Berlin are amazing.
The kids have friends in the neighborhood and at school. It is so easy to commute to work.
Okay, wow, look at these.
My favorite part of the new house is how cozy it is, because the house does have a lot of character and it feels really homey, especially during the holiday season. This is nice. Compared to having Christmas in Thailand or having Christmas in Florida, where it's so warm, we're here, you can really feel the spirit of Christmas.
The kids have really enjoyed some of the new traditions.